Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix favorite sounds not showing problem on TikTok. So guys, if you're trying to see your favorite sound but you are unable to see your favorite sounds, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search here for TikTok. And from here you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. So I simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device, and after this open the app, and from here you have to simply add any sound to your favorites. So guys, here I am adding this sound to favorites. Here you can see this, you can tap on add to favorites and you can also add to favorites from here. So as once you have added, you have to simply go back and now go to your profile and then go to this option. Here you can see this, and from here you have to simply tap on sounds from here, and here you will see all of your favorite sounds which you have recently added to your favorite sounds list. So as you can see this, you can see the favorite sounds from here. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your TikTok account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.